Hello everyone, welcome back again. I am Michael Ibe. I was asked the other time, do businesses still need website when you can easily set up a social media account in few minutes? Well, it's a good question and the answer is simply yes. Social platforms are amazing and incredibly convenient for getting out your current messaging, but I think of them as bridges, and bridges need to lead somewhere, and ideally they lead to a brand's true home in the vast online world, which is their website. Creating a website used to feel like a daunting task, but Canva is making it easier than ever. It's not under a minute, but it really doesn't take too long. Now let me show you how to design a website using Canva. First of all, we need to start with a template, just like you are seeing on this section. You can see business templates, events, fashion, internal communication, non-profit portfolio, and etc. So in whichever category that you want to create your website, you can easily hover your mouse on each of the template just to see the little preview of the template you want to work with. And before we proceed further, what is a website? A website is a collection of related web pages, including multimedia content, that is typically identified by a common domain name and published on at least one web server. Alright, website can range from simple and static web pages to a complex and dynamic web applications. And if you need more details, it's a 24/7 online presence that can be used to communicate with people, sell products, describe your services, and even provide entertainment and showcase portfolios. And having one establishes the credibility of a brand. It builds trust and helps your business look more professional. Now, the easiest way to start designing a website with Canva is to choose a template, just like I said previously. But before you get started designing a website with Canva, it is important that I highlight some of the limitations of creating a website within Canva. Creating a website with Canva is easy and visually appealing, but it has several limitations, which include limited customization ability and basic functionality, minimal search engine optimization features, and the inability to scale into a more robust and dynamic website. Designing a website with Canva is ideal for individuals and small businesses who need a simple but visually appealing online presence without requiring advanced features or extensive customization. It's perfect for beginners, personal projects, portfolio sites, small business landing pages, or anyone looking to quickly create a professional-looking website without technical expertise. Canva user-friendly interface and drag-and-drop beautiful templates make it easy to design attractive websites, but for those needing more complex functionality or scalability, you need a dedicated website builder such as WordPress or other content management system in order to customize your websites in a more appropriate manner. And if you had like to master the art of designing and developing a more complex and dynamic website, please do subscribe to our complete website development mastery course just to establish your skill as a professional full-stack website developer. And to design a website, I'm going to be taking one of the portfolio sites templates and customize it and show you how you can design any website at all. Irrespective of the category I choose, just follow the same process and you are good to go. And it's very simple to design a website with Canva. Just choose a template and start customizing it. Remove the content that is there before, change the layout, change the images, change the text that is there, and fix them up with the real content that you want to have on your website. And after your work is done, you click on publish website. So let's get started. Let me go with this. Alright, so I click on it, and Canva also give me more suggestions related to the one I choose. So I click on customize this template. And here we are on the design page of this template. First of all, I need to change my website title here because it's important for me to change it. I'm going to say Michael eBay portfolio. I have a portfolio website already, just like you are seeing here. I'm going to show you how to design a portfolio website for yourself if you don't have access to hosting and domain name. So you can use Canva to design a simple yet professional looking portfolio site for yourself. First of all, this template that I'm using, it contains the home page. Okay, let's click on this place so that you can see all the pages. All right, so you can see the home page, the introduction, the theme, the role, checklist, resources, contact, and we're going to change all this content you are seeing here. The reason why I choose this template is just because it provides the kind of platform that I want. All right, but the contents and the pages name, we are going to change all of them, and I'm going to show you how we are going to do that in this video. And for the sake of time, I'm going to fast forward some areas in this website, of which at the end of the day I'm still going to show you how I did everything I designed. All right, so that you will master the skills and follow the same process to create your own website. And let me close this place. So this is the home page, and I'm going to convert my LinkedIn profile into a Canva website. So what I need to do now is, this particular page you are seeing here, you can either increase it or reduce it, all right, depending on the kind of content the page we have. So, and this lady, let me delete the picture, and this shape here, I think I'm not gonna need these shapes, and this thing also, okay, I think I might need this content at the end. But so this is logo, all right, as I can still, maybe you just put my name here, Michael eBay portfolio. All right, just to so that it will serve as my logo, or to serve as a logo in this website. Then what I need to do next is, if you are familiar with LinkedIn, you should know that there should be a LinkedIn header image, right, that will be showing up before your picture that will show up. So I go to upload, and this is my LinkedIn header image. So I drag it. Okay, let me bring this down. So here, then increase the size to fill up the page. Then I need to go to frame, search for a frame, the round frame. Okay, I think this is okay. Reduce it a bit, because this place I'm going to be putting my picture in this frame right now. So I go to upload, I choose this image, drag it into the frame, then I click on the frame again so I can add some border to the image, and click on the color. Okay, I think this color is okay, this gradient color. Like I said, I'm going to fast forward some areas in this video, and at the end of the day I'm still going to take you on the process it took me to convert this particular template into a functional portfolio website. So guys, here is what I've done so far, and I'm going to change this background. First of all, let me group these letters here. So this background, I don't want the way it's showing, just a blank. I'm gonna add some styling to the background. So I have some images, maybe I'll select some images here, right click, set it as background. Alright guys, pay attention, because you're going to learn something mind-blowing as I'm showing you how I customize my website. So stay tuned and I'll still show you the next step. So guys, this is the about me page, and what I did is, remember the page is a bit smaller, so I have to increase the page just to accommodate the content I'm putting on the about page. Alright, and this is my image here, so I use an image frame. I can detach the image All right, so this is the image frame that I use. Come to elements, search for frames, and select any frame of your choice. Okay, if I still want to go for this one that has some border on it, I can, go ahead and drag my image and put inside. All right, but that is not what I want, so let me undo it. I just showed you how I got to put my image in this section. So I now come to upload, select my image and drag it and put inside this frame. All right, so the next thing I want to do now is on this learn more, I can, okay, let me ungroup it first. This learn more, let me make it a clickable link, because right now it's not a clickable link, it's just a text and a button. All right, so to make it a clickable link, click on any of the elements, then go to these three dots here, then go to link. So in this link, all right, let me put my website link. I can use mykelibe.net or .com, any of the website I want to use. So when you put any link that you want to refer your visitors to, after you've done that, even if it is your WhatsApp link, Google Drive where you host your actual CV in your Google Drive, you can just put the Google Drive link here and click on done. So in the actual website, if anybody is viewing the website and they click on this learn more, it will refer them to the link that you put inside the text. All right, so that is it. And this background, I don't want it like this. Let me add some styling to the background. So let me come to elements, go back, delete this from here. So I think I choose any background here, maybe this one. Then right click on the image, go to replace background. Then let me proceed on the another page, and my other page is going to have maybe a background similar to this, my services and graphic design, content writing. So I'm going to change this as well, text skill tutoring. So this lady, I'm going to delete the image, drag the frame and put inside here, duplicate the frame so that I can use it in this section. So I'm going to search for a graphic design image. All right, so go to elements, search for graphics, graphic design. So maybe I'll go with this, reduce the size, then drag it and put inside the frame, and that is all. So this, let me delete this person, duplicate this as well. So I make sure that all of them are aligned, they are in the same alignment with each other, so that the design will be very good. So I search for content writing image here, content writing. So guys, just follow the same process and design your own Canva websites and you are good to go. So let me duplicate this and delete this person, use the frame in this section also. Okay, it's on group, so I have to ungroup it, delete this person, then put the frame within. All right, so let me just go by text skills in this place. This is a bit okay, then put it inside this section. Okay, I'm going to change this content, but let me change the background first of all. So I'm going to use this background you are seeing here. So first of all, let me detach it, then duplicate the background. So I have to replace this one back, drag this one, come front, drag it and enter into my page here, then right click, go to replace background. Wow, that is it. So let me go back a bit to see how it looks like. Okay, I think it's making sense. Let's continue with the design. I'm still going to be taking you on the process it took me to redesign the template into the website that I want. This is the update of my website. I'm still going to change this content you're seeing here. This experience section is quite related to LinkedIn. Okay, this pink, I don't like this background. Let me use this. It's a bit dark right now, so let me change the colors. And this border can still use visible color on it so that it appears very well from this design. And this, I can still add some border, maybe just to make it more visible. Okay, okay, I think this is a bit closer to LinkedIn design. So this page and this page is closely related, so let me adjust. All right guys, so let me check my LinkedIn page, and okay, what follows next is education. So I'm gonna add the education section right now. So what I need to do is to duplicate this page because the education and the experience page, they look a bit similar. All right, so let me duplicate this page. So click on this icon here and the page is duplicated. First of all, let me change the right up to education. So education, then the background, I'm going to change this to this image here. Right click and replace the background. Yeah, I think it's making a lot of sense now. Then I need to change the right up in the education page. Okay, dev business management. Just need to copy this, bring it up here and paste it. Okay, so I'm going to replace all this content you're seeing here, and I'm going to fast forward it in this video. All right, I've showed you how to customize all your designs and make it unique, different from what the templates gave to you initially. Remember, I'm working with a particular template, which is this one that is showing up here. It's all about customization, removing the content and fixing up the content for the main website. So that is just the idea behind everything. All right, you can still do the same if you are designing any websites with Canva. Just come to designs, select any of the templates, redesign it how you want it to look like, and at the end of the day, the design is yours. I need to copy the licenses and certification, then paste it in this area, Goomba Enterprise Challenge. So let me go back again, then certified member of Forbes Plus Excellence Society. Okay, so go back again and paste it and change the content. Okay, first of all, this image I need to delete it because it's no longer relevant. So let me get the image from the Goomba. So copy image, come back to Canva, paste it, reduce it and bring it to this place. So copy the image here, paste it again, and delete this one, bring it back. Okay, so Forbes Black Excellence Society. Then what I need to add again is my skills. I have to duplicate this page so that it will serve as my skills page. All right, so I'll click on duplicate page and move it down. Click on this icon to move any of your page and keep it wherever you want it to be. So I want it to be in this section. All right, and I have to change it to skills. So anyway, these are my skills. All right, I'm not gonna change anything here for now. And the next thing I'm gonna put is the contacts page. All right, because this portfolio now are supposed to have a contact page for it. So what do I need to do? And let me go back to the design. Look at the design I'm working on. So I need to click on add page so I can get a contact page here. Maybe just click on this. So does it have a contact page? I don't think it have a contact page. Okay, what I need to do is to search for contact form, so it can just give me a random design that I'm gonna work with. You see, there is a limitation to using Canva to design a website. All right, but nevertheless, it's still gonna make sense if you know how to find our way. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna customize this page and make it a contact page, okay, so that it doesn't stop my design from getting its shape. Okay, first of all, let me remove this background. Let me go back to elements and use this background, replace this as the background so that it have the same shape with my design. Then I'm gonna duplicate these contents, bring it down to my contacts page, delete this stuff, so I can say contact me. Right, then this place can serve as any of my button, maybe my website, my WhatsApp, my email, my whatever, you know. And this one can serve as my social media places. So and each of these button, I'm going to include all the links. My website link will be here, my WhatsApp link will be here, my email link can be here. Then in these ones I can put my social media links in any of them. So if anyone want to contact me, they can easily click on each of these buttons and it will direct them to the link that it will present. All right, so that is how to create a contact page. Let's do it right now. First of all, let me change this image here. Maybe I can look for a contact us icon or whatever. All right, maybe this one is okay, I think. So it's actually a frame, so I'm gonna drag this and put it inside the frame, but I don't like the way the frame is looking, so I can detach the image, look for a new frame. Now go to frame, okay, I think this one is a bit okay. So let me change the buttons and delete this stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna update you when I change all these buttons. I selected all the buttons because they did not represent any of my design here. All right, so I have to work with the design I have in my pages already. All right, so using these buttons here is a bit off from the entire design, so I'm going to duplicate this button here, which I did. So I'm going to use it instead of using this stuff that is here. So I delete it, then bring this up here and try to modify it. So this can serve for my website, this can serve for my WhatsApp, while this can serve for email, then these ones can serve for social media. All right, so because there's no option for visitors to put their username and email address and start sending me message from the website, so that is why I'm using this option. It's the only option for me to use in Canva website. So what I need to do now is let me assign a link to all of them, right, so that if anybody click on it, it will be active. Right click and go to link. All right, then let me put a link, my website link here, like ebay.net. all right, click on done. So it's clickable right now. Okay, please, I want you to pay attention right now, because this is the letter I assigned the link to, visit me. Why the button? There's no link on the button. So if a visitor mistakenly click on the button outside the text, it will not work. All right, it won't work. Then what I need to do is to assign the link to the button, the same link that the visit me have. So I click on the button and go to the three icon here, then click on the link and paste the same website link. All right, and click on done. So the button and the visit me is having the same link right now. Look at it. If I click on it, it will show. Then if I click on visit me, the link will still show up, showing you that two of them are functioning right now. So another thing is the email aspect. Let me ungroup it first. Email me. To put an email link is different from putting the website link. Which email do you want to refer the visitor to if they click on this email me? That is what you need to have at the back of your mind. Then follow the process I'm going to show you now. Click on it, go to three dots, click on link. All right, paste whatever the email that you want to use. Okay, the email I'm using is contact@michaelebay.net. okay, this is my email, but it's not yet functioning because I did not assign a function to it. The function I'm going to assign to it is mail to. If you subscribe to our website development training, you will understand this thing I'm telling you now. It's very simple. So what I need to do is, before my email address, I'm going to write mail to, then the column here, I'm going to assign this semicolon in between mail to and my email address. So if they click on this email me, it will refer them to their email application in their device. Then this will be the email they will forward whatever message to. I don't know if you understand. So that is how it's going to work. All right, I'm going to copy the same email, assign it to the button. So after that, I click on done. So please, if you have any confusion, I believe it doesn't have, because it's very simple to understand. But if you have any challenge, drop it on my DM and I'm gonna respond to you. All right, so let me assign the same email to the button, just like we did on this button here, this visit me. So click on the button and click on the link and paste the same link. All right, mail to semicolon, then contact@michaelebay.net and click on done. So if anyone click on the button, it will refer them to this particular email and they will send whatever message they want to forward. All right, the same thing if they click on the email me, the same thing is going to happen. Like I said previously, the reason why I assign it to the button and to this text is because a visitor of the website might mistakenly clicking on the button instead of clicking on the email me, so that even if they click on the button, it will still give them a positive response. All right, so on the Instagram and YouTube and Facebook, I'm still going to add, let's say, LinkedIn. over to your social media account, copy the link that leads everyone to your social media, then come to this Instagram or any of these social media icons, click on each of them, then click on the three dots here, go to the edit link. Let me remove this link, or to delete a link. To remove the link, you can click on this delete here. All right, if you highlight it and delete it, it's still gonna be effective. It's still going to be effective. Look at it, it's still going to be effective. And click on this delete icon here, and the link is removed. All right, so that is how to work on them. Then let me group these items together so that I can increase or decrease them. Then what we need to do now is to give these pages their names. So click on the, let me close this. So let's click on the view pages. So these are the pages of the website. So I'm going to edit all of them. This number one, introduction, I'm going to give it home. Then number two, I'm going to give it about, because this is actually going to appear on your menu. All right, it's going to appear on your menu. Then this number three, I'm going to say services. Okay, this number four and number five. What content can I put here? Anyway, I'm going to leave it like this just to beautify the design anyway, but I'm still going to edit it if I have any content to fix up here. All right, then number six, which is the, okay, I already have services, number six, and number six is supposed to be skills, not services, skills. Right, so number seven, the contacts, oh sorry, number seven, the experience page. Number eight, education page. Number nine, license and certification, or let me just say certification. This place can serve as my portfolio anyway. It can serve as portfolio, so let me change it to portfolio and change the menu to portfolio. Please, it's important that you rename all your pages, because it's going to appear on your design. All right, it's going to appear on the website when you publish it finally. Then this contact page, I'm going to write contacts on it. So one more important thing is this page you are seeing here, if I don't want it to show in my website when I publish it, so I'm going to click on this eye icon here to hide it. All right, I'm going to hide as it is now. It's not going to show if I publish the website, because it's what is unhidden. Then this one, I can delete this because I didn't see any work it's doing for me. So let me remove the page. And this is my portfolio website with Canva. That is amazing. You can't believe it, guys. The next thing we are going to do right now is to preview the work. It's important. Okay, in this place, if you have the website published already, you can see people that visited the website, from their country, from devices, and the time they visited the website. I think it's amazing, guys. All right, it's good for people that have a limited content to include in their website, or just like a portfolio website and small business landing pages. You can use it. You can use this process to design it, and you are good to go. So let's preview the website. Click on the preview button here, and let's see how it looks like on different devices. Wow, that is fantastic. Okay, look at the menu I was telling you that is going to show in your website. So this is the preview of the website. All right, this is the preview. If you click on any of them, it will go to that page. Click on this, it will go to that page. Click on this, it will go to that page. Click on this, it will come back to home. So guys, this is amazing, and let's see how it looks like on mobile phone. Wow, this is a bit looking like a LinkedIn profile for real. All right, this is fantastic, guys. So if you don't like this color, this pink color, of which pink is not my color, and I can just customize it and change the background to the color of my shorts. All right, so I just show you how to design a website with Canva. You can see that the website is very responsive, meaning that all the designs are showing very well even on a mobile device. So if anybody is browsing the website, this is what they are going to be seeing. Okay, I think I need some customization in this area because the text is too long. That is why it goes out of colon, but nevertheless it's still looking great. Okay, this is fantastic, guys. So this is how to design a website with Canva. And look at the link I'm telling you. If you click on visit me, it's going to take the person to the website that this link represents. Then if you click on email me, it's going to pop up an email. You know, look at it here, it's taking me to my email. All right, so but I don't want to go there right now. I just showed you that it functions very well. So if you click on this visit me link, it's going to go to my website, to the website that the link represents, but that is not what we are going to be doing right now. All right, so if these social media platforms have the links on them, it's still going to be clickable. So guys, this is how to design your website with Canva. The next thing we need to do now is click on publish website. But before publishing your website, make sure that it's responsive. Like check the content you put. If there is any modification, click on the close and go back and apply some changes to your website. All right, and when you are done, you click on publish website. So before you publish, there are some things you need to put in mind, such as the website URL, which is very important. The website URL, look at the website URL right now, michaelibe.my.canva.site, and you know the link is too long, so you need to customize it. And the only thing you need to do is there is a limit to what you can do, because you are using a free Canva. You did not get a new domain for the website. But if you want to have a custom domain name for your website, you can go to get a new domain for your website. All right, and in this section is important, okay, because you are going to write the site description, the site headline, and the site description, which is going to be visible on search engine. All right, if look at it here, the website description appears below the link, the website title and URL in search results, so it's going to appear on search engine. So put your site description here in less than 160 characters. Let's go to advanced section. The password protection is disabled. If you want to password the website, whereby only people that have the password will access the website, so you can put whatever password here, and if not, just switch it back. And even if you password it, it's going to discourage any search engine from identifying the website. All right, so then link preview is disabled. Choose how your link will appear when shared on social media. So you can just do that here. Look at how it's going to appear on social media if I share the website link on social media. At the end of the day, when you finish setting up these things, you click on publish website. So let's wait for it. The website is published right now. So this is the link to your website. It's too long, but since it's a free stuff, who cares? You can still manage it and make use of it. But another thing I'm gonna show you is, maybe I'm gonna show you the secret. Use a website called tinyurl just to customize this long link. All right, you know, if you have known about tinyurl before, go to the website, copy this link, paste it there, and customize it so that it will be a bit shorter than how it looks like here. So let's visit the website. Click on visit website right now. and this is how it looks like. All right, this is how it looks like. So this is how it looks like on mobile phone. My goodness, I think it makes sense. All right, for people that just want to start up with their website development experience with Canva, you can just start from here. But if you want to learn a professional website design and development, I would like you to subscribe to our website design and development masterclass, so that we will take you from this very beginning, from buying of domain hosting, customizing your email, your custom email address, installing WordPress, working around the cPanel, and start building your website in a professional manner. Just subscribe to our masterclass in website development and you are going to learn a lot. So thank you very much for sticking to this particular website development training with Canva. And remember that you are still going to follow the same process I showed you in this video to design and customize any other website that you want to design with Canva. It's quite simple. Select a template, change the content in the template, publish it as a website. It's as simple as ABCD. All right, so thank you very much. I'll see you in my next video.